Kaseya had the best product and really had the best product map. We were looking for more than just a solutions provider. We were really looking for a partner, and we really felt that we could trust Kaseya and that we could work with Kaseya over the long haul. My name is Julie Chapman, and I'm the president of Npower DC.
My name is TJ Rainsford. I am the Chief Technology Officer for Npower DC.
We're a very small organization, and we all work very, very closely together to try and provide the best possible service to our nonprofit clients. We provide high-quality tech support for nonprofits. We always say we do IT right for nonprofits. We do IT right for those organizations doing the right thing in our community. We help them to use technology to strengthen and enhance their operations and performance so that they can better deliver on their missions. We are really different than other Kaseya customers. We are not here to make a profit. Instead, we see Kaseya as part of helping other organizations serve the community that we live in.
Currently, we're responsible for approximately 1,800 endpoints across a very wide client base of nonprofits.
Organizations that are very sophisticated to organizations where people don't know about the technology and don't want to know about the technology. From cloud solutions to hosted solutions to local solutions.
Kaseya has really helped us to leverage the capabilities of a centralized management platform to provide an enterprise level support to those clients across the Washington-Baltimore area. Our nonprofit community runs the gambit from very small organizations to fairly sizable organizations. And at the end of the day, we believe that technology is a force multiplier in these organizations. The more that these organizations can leverage technology, the better that they can serve their communities. So regardless of size, Kaseya allows us to provide enterprise level support to these organizations at a cost that those organizations can actually afford.
Before Kaseya, we did things the old-fashioned way, scheduled support, or as we sometimes call it, unscheduled support. We did have some remote tools, but we were not able to resolve the majority of the problems without going on site, and that was very time-consuming and very costly for us and for our clients. Our clients are only able to pay so much, and we really struggle with how to make that business model work, given that limitation. And I would have to say that Kaseya has really gone a long way to helping make us sustainable. We're able to serve many more clients, many more endpoints with the same number of people, and to do a much better job at that.
We have clients as small as 4 people to as many as 400. For those smaller clients, where we really value Kaseya is these are environments that don't even have servers. We don't necessarily have a central management point within the client environment. In fact, they're primarily cloud-based organizations. But the ability for us to still manage the workstations and ensure the workstations are functioning properly allows them to truly leverage the cloud. In the larger organizations, there is a layer of complexity that allows us to really integrate Kaseya into their business operations. And the more that we do that, the more that we can support that organization, the better off that organization is from an ability to leverage the technical infrastructure.
Kaseya has really made it possible for us to create scale, and more importantly, it has really ensured our sustainability.
When we first started using the product, we had maybe about 800 people on it. The fact that we could scale that up so readily to almost 1,800 workstations and growing from there means that we have a platform that we are going to be able to scale out for the next 5 years and well beyond that.
The economy has been so tough the last couple of years. Donations have been down, and having the earned revenue stream through Kaseya has really been instrumental in our success.
That's a major advantage to us. For us to keep our costs low is critical for us to be able to service the nonprofit community in this area. And having a platform that we already know what our cost structure is going to be going forward, the fact that we can get it to do virtually anything that we need it to do in order to support our clients is going to be a real game changer for us. One of our clients, USO of Metropolitan Washington, is really an important client for us. We believe strongly in trying to support the members of the armed services and supporting USO's mission. The unique nature of USO is that they're geographically disparate. We have sites on military bases, in airports. It makes it incredibly difficult for a traditional scheduled support organization to support an organization like that. The advantage to bringing Kaseya to bear is that we can manage that environment, manage the workstations in a variety of different locations from a central point of view. It also puts us into a position where we can start migrating them away from a traditional client-server infrastructure, which quite honestly has been a bit troubling because of internet connectivity and things like that in some of these remote sites. Moving them out into the cloud and not having to call back to a server at an Army base outside of Washington, D.C. We wouldn't be able to do that and still effectively manage the workstation environment and support the users without a quality managed services platform, and that's what really Kaseya brings to us. Formula for success is three parts. First and foremost, a group of technologists who really appreciate what it is that they're doing, the mission of this organization, and who really value automation. The second piece is obviously Kaseya. Having a robust management platform that's relatively easy to use and highly scalable allows us to leverage that automation to serve more and more clients at the same cost. The third part is an integrated PSA. Having a system that allows us to accurately track the issues, respond to our clients' needs, and integrate it into Kaseya makes it a lot easier for us to do more with less.